Hi friends, this video shows how to delete files from Google TV Streamer 4K. Any files, video files, audio files, photos, etc. First we need to go to Apps tab. Then we need to install two apps. We need to install this Explore and an Explorer file manager apps. These apps are free. We can install from App Store. Okay. After that, go to settings, select all settings, go to apps, go to see all apps, then first select an explorer, go down, go to permissions, select files, then here we need to allow, then go back to explore app, the second app. Let me select that explore app. Here also go down, select permissions, select files. Here also we need to allow. Done. After that, go to home screen, go to apps tab. Then we can open explore or an explore app. Both will work. First let me go with an explorer app. Open it. Then go to internal storage. This is the internal storage of this Google TV Streamer 4K. Select it. Then let me select one file. Let me go to this pictures folder. Here you can see an image of cat. Let me delete this. Press and hold OK button on the remote. Then on top right side you can see delete button. Select it. Then select delete. Done. So this way we can delete from internal storage. Let me try to delete from this SanDisk USB drive that is connected here. From there also we can delete. Open SanDisk USB drive. Then let me go to pictures folder. Let me delete this image. Again press and hold OK button on the remote. From top set delete. Done. So this way we can delete any files. Let me try same thing with this Explore app. Open it. Then go to internal storage. Go to documents. Here you can see an image. Let me delete this. Select it. Press and hold OK button on the remote. Then select delete. Select delete. Done. So these are the two methods. Okay, you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.